how many Republicans would go along with reform efforts as they stand now? And I know they're all in mud right now, but you hear this talk that there's virtually no support in the House or the Senate. You know the Senate well.
Right.
What do you say?
Well, for either the bill that has passed the House committee or the bill that's passed the Help committee in the Senate, I don't think a single Republican in the Senate would support either of those bills.
Not a single one. You wouldn't get it at Olympia Snowe. You wouldn't get it at Grassley's gone. Is that what
No, I don't believe so. Now, Grassley and Snowe and Mike Enzi are working with 3 Democrats on the Finance Committee, and they're trying to figure out if they can find a middle ground that would get support on both sides of the aisle. They're finding that very difficult, among other things, because liberals in both the House and the Senate have apparently given notice that if they don't get their government-run insurance company as a part of this, then what they're going to do is to insist that the Democrat leadership divide the legislation and give them the part that they want, and then give Republicans a chance to vote on apparently another piece of it. But, of course, that'll be no deal because you'll have the government-run insurance and the other liberal parts, including the tax increases, in the part that the Democrats would plan to pass with just a bare majority of votes.
Well, that's what they're saying, a bare majority. They don't need a filibuster-proof 60 majority. Is that doable?
Well, it's not doable for the entire bill, I think, and I think they know this because of the rules of the Senate. There are certain things that are filibusterable, and there are some through the reconciliation process that are not. But they cannot achieve everything they want to achieve just through that reconciliation process. As a result, they're going to have to get Republicans for part of it. And my suggestion to them, and I know that Minority Leader McConnell agrees with this as well, is, look, you started from the wrong premise. Totally changed the entire system of health care delivery and insurance in the country. Let's start over with a targeted solution for each of the specific problems, and you'll have good, solid Republican support to join in those solutions.